What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jay Kite for Jay Kite Vlogs. Here it is, day 2 of roller coaster rodeo. Bright and early, 7 o'clock in the morning. Get there at the park by 8 for my lift hill climb with Superman, which should be fun. Looking forward to it. I've done the Dr. Diabolical's climb, and I've done like some other coaster climbs too, so looking forward to it. Hopefully I can record with this on my backpack. We shall see. I know I was able to take my phone out last year once I was on top, but yeah, hopefully we can you know, record with this GoPro on my backpack today. We shall see. Fingers crossed. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say, man, last night was amazing. Not only did I do 2 haunted houses, which I never do the haunted houses, but I did 2 haunted houses with friends. Sweezy, Tyler, Matthew, like all my friends went with through a line, and I had an amazing time. And in fact, it was really funny. I was trying to make the scare actors kind of laugh because I kept saying, oh, it's AC inside the scare zones, or haunted houses I should say, so that's why you guys scare. No wonder, you know. But anyways, so it was a good time. Got to see Dr. Diabolical, got to see my sliders. My sliders were back. So yeah, it was all in all a great time. All in all, a very awesome time for Roller Coaster Rodeo Day 1. And like I said, today is day 2 of Roller Coaster Rodeo. So it's gonna be a fun, exciting day. We shall see what the day brings. But yeah, got a lot planned for today. It's gonna be hot, but I do have all my gear with me. So yeah, I should be good. I should be good. So yeah, let's giddy up, partners. Come along for the ride. Oh.
It's so interesting.
I'm right up the hill.
Yep. Oh, you're good. Take as many pictures as you want. I'm recording with my GoPro, so.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, these are kind of steeper.
Oh my goodness, look at that view.
Yeah. Getting our steps in today.
Oh, for sure.
Hey, you're getting your steps in today.
Rather not again. What?
I'd cry if you did this around.
Oh my god, yeah.
I mean, it's not as big or tall as Cliffhanger, but still.
It's a lot of steps.
There's actually more stairs, I think, on Cliffhanger than there is here.
They're beating us.
Oh no, the second crew's beating us.
We used to do this for work.
There.
No fair.
Girls. Doing great. Yeah. I know that's a compliment.
There's whatever you don't look down.
Oh, I love heights.
Okay, well then look down. Yeah.
I love to be. There's like a big fish on the front of the
Yeah, I asked about that yesterday.
The river monster.
Yeah, Doc was telling me that when the water gets too high.
Look at it. It looks like one of those like algae eating like geckos. There's 2 of them.
It's the river catfish. Alright, who just sang that? Alright. Well fitted.
So it feels like delivery to apartments.
I know, with Amazon, yeah.
Yeah. 50-pound bag of dog food, 5 flights of stairs up, no elevator.
Yeah. Just don't trip.
Yeah, there's a foam. That's a nice one too.
Oh.
Glad I can't reach it.
Whoops. Okay, can we take a break?
Yep.
What, are we halfway there?
A little over.
Good news is the walk down is much easier.
Oh yes. It's just getting up here is the much harder part.
Up here and we're getting on and
Yeah,
going.
we're riding down.
Yeah. Can you just send a train up and we'll just ride down?
Look at that floor wall. Wow, look at our rattlers up here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Don't send a train right now, please.
Start noise.
What's happening? They're sending a train. At least we didn't have to wear the harnesses.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I would feel much better.
Chelsea's like, I wish I had on. Look, if you follow, there's a net right there.
If I fall that way,
You can't fall that way.
Yeah, you can.
see, my brain does not agree.
Follow the board.
I know.
Call it what you want.
That is what I'm doing right now.
You got this. Trust me, I'm afraid of heights and yet I'm doing it.
Yeah. Oh, almost there.
Are we almost there? I feel like we're on that road trip. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
We're taking the coaster down, right?
Yeah.
We got the whole platform down there.
Ooh.
Whoa, it is shaking up here.
We also did this for cliffhanger.
Slightly unnerving.
We'll try this with cliffhanger.
You know, it's funny how you don't have a fear of heights when it's that good.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
You guys are on my chest or on my strap right now. So yeah. It's showing you the views right now. Yeah. Here's a view looking this way.
Oh, you did that? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a beautiful view up here. So cool.
Yeah.
Definitely going up to
Nope. Oh boy. Definitely shaking.
This thing is wobbling.
Yeah.
Keeping the camera really still, you can see like the bars just moving.
It's really shaky
That's
up
how
here.
much it's shaking there.
It's really shaky up here. But we did it, Sleazy. We did it.
We did it.
We did it, dude.
We did do it.
Oh, there's more.
Hopefully we can go right over.
Oh, this is a bad part. Oh, this one's a bad part. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh boy. That's the sketchiest part.
The mesh right there?
Yes. That's the sketchiest part right there. That's the sketchiest part right there.
You want to wait just right there for now. Oh, wow.
Ooh, that was the sketchiest part right there.
That's cool.
I mean, I did cliffhanger just fine, but whoa. Guys, look, I'm touching it. Look at this.
Y'all can all come on down. We can all squeeze down here. Hair's a mess.
Yeah.
Oh, my hair's been a mess today.
Here, you're good.
You're on what, J12?
Here's a view of Iron Rattler.
10.
Up here, we're at like the drop. Like they just go whoop. Okay, can we send a coaster train up to get us now?
Yeah,
What, you guys take this,
down real quick.
just take our bags back there. We'll just ride the coaster back down.
You want to trade?
Yeah.
You're going to go track shop. Yeah.
Well, let's see if Cliffhanger's what? Cliffhanger's what, 157?
Yeah, just about. A little bit.
This one's what, 176?
I know it's the 170s. I'm not exactly sure the exact number.
Because I know IRAD's 171. So yeah.
You definitely feel the wind up there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like I said, I barely survived that. I'm glad I survived this.
Oh, you did Cliffhanger yesterday?
I did it actually a year ago.
Oh, okay.
And I was like, all right, I'm just going up the big boy. Just going and just full send. Full send. Full commitment.
And then once you get up here, you can kind of relax for a little bit. I gotta do it all again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're not big one.
Oh, okay. Some of us are hungry.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah.
I guess I'll head back down then.
Yeah.
All right, so climb back up.
Thanks, Kevin.
Well, this is the only sketchy part. The mesh.
Already just looking down, you can tell the world of difference between
Just a
cliffhanger. Yeah.
That first step over the top of cliffhanger, you're like, woo!
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This one you're like, ah, this is piece of cake.
Yeah. There's a lot more stuff over here, though.
Once I get on flat stairs, I'll be
You don't feel like you're gonna just misstep
Fall.
at any moment. Just,
Instead, you would fall on your butt.
oh, right.
cliffhanger. You're like, ah, do I step here?
Turn around real quick and get
Oh,
people
sorry.
get people walking.
I'm not trying to be in your vlog, anything.
I'm sure my whole big 500 subscribers would love to see you.
I know, right? My 78 people love to see other people too. So are we running 2 trains or 3?
We'll have 3 everywhere today.
Okay.
Nice.
Well, 3 on the garage, yeah. 3.
Yeah. It sucks that Wonder Woman's not ready yet.
Yeah.
It's all RMC's fault.
Yeah, you know Jeffrey would have had it open if he could have.
Oh yes.
It's a little sad, but nobody's even ridden the new trains yet, not even us.
Yeah.
So it's definitely not ready for people yet.
Oh, wow.
Just the water test dummies, right?
Yeah.
The test dummies got it before
You
us.
guys seen it at all yesterday running?
Uh-uh.
It is so much quieter.
Is it?
is.
Oh,
If
so
you
they've
remember,
been testing it through the day?
oh yeah, yesterday.
Oh,
They
yeah.
did throughout the day. And
Yeah.
You'll probably see more today as well.
Oh,
But
okay.
if you remember before, every valley was goo 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 goo.
Yeah.
It's like glass. Like you can
Really?
tell it's way smoother now. Yeah.
Nice.
The new trains have made a world of difference.
I heard you guys were going through a lot of bearings too.
Yeah. So basically, in short, the components that are consumed,
Yeah.
like the wheels, the bogies, stuff like that, they weren't lasting as long as they were designed to last.
Yeah.
So that resulted in us having to replace them
Yeah.
all the time. It actually was the longest inspection for our maintenance team in the morning. Even though it's a smaller ride, it took our maintenance team way longer because every morning they were replacing stuff,
Yeah.
replacing stuff. So hopefully the new trains are a little bit better with that.
Yeah.
And it'll be good to have 3 trains back. I came
Oh,
in
yeah.
2021.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen 3 trains run. So it's been
I
it's been since before the pandemic.
Yeah. I have.
We reliably, consistently ran.
Yes, and the moving walkway
Yep.
or the moving platform.
Yeah.
It was such a big key component to that ride too.
Not to mention with the Dr. Diabolical, your legs like had already felt like jello by the
Yeah.
time you got to the top. So when it came to come back down, you were just praying they didn't fall.
Yes. I was hanging on to the guardrail twice with my hands like, oh boy.
Yeah.
It's still up there.
This is so insane. Hey, this right here is worth the price of admission.
Yeah.
Oh, Cedar Point, they'll let you do it, and it costs you like
$300.
yeah.
Yeah, no thank you.
And we're not even getting anything out of this. We're giving it all to roller coaster.
Overtime.
I mean, us personally.
Yeah.
I'm on salary, so I'm
Yeah.
no matter what. But yeah, I mean, everything we got from the lift walk is going to a good cause.
Yeah.
Makes it even better.
Yeah.
So did you guys just like sit in a room and like draw straws to see who had to climb this one all day and who had to who had to climb Diabolical all day?
There's actually, these guys like to climb up
We
this one.
actually had a hard time filling this one. Like, people wanted to do Cliffhanger.
Oh, no kidding.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I don't know why, to be honest. That one filled up first, and then this one filled up second. And then Pirates filled up third.
Well, this one was offered later. It wasn't
Correct,
offered initially,
yeah.
was it?
Yeah, this is the first year of Superman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I think Cliffhanger sold out in the first month.
Yeah.
So Jeffrey was like, what can we do? And I was like, we haven't done Superman. Because if you went in 2021, we did Goliath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we haven't done Superman. So judging by everybody I've talked to, they've liked this better than Cliffhanger. At least in terms of like how hard it is and stuff like that.
It's the walk. You get good views up there on Cliffhanger when you're on that big platform, but the walk is what.
And we can do more people on this ride because you don't have to harness everybody.
Exactly.
And we're not as limited at number of people. We can only do 7 people per side over there.
Yeah.
Whereas today we did 12 here.
Yeah.
So I think we have 48 doing Superman today. I think they're only at 30 today.
All clear. Is that our taxi coming up here? Just take our bags. We'll ride the rest.
Yeah, the cloudiness was just a diversion.
Yes. Now the
I looked
heat's
out, I
here.
was like, yay, it's not blazing sun.
Now the heat's here.
And then it's like, oh wait, by 10 o'clock it will be.
He's leaving us.
Train's leaving.
Choo choo.
Enjoying the sights.
That's still a ride I haven't done as Joker yet.
It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
I don't know if I'll ever do it. It's like skydiving in my opinion.
Oh, I'll tell you what, skydiving will change your life.
Yeah.
How we doing on time?
It's not the falling that's the worst part. It's the anticipation of the plane ride up,
Yeah.
knowing that you have to step out.
Yeah. That's what freaks me out about that ride. It's the anticipation of being flung.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I feel like the palms of my hands are gonna be blue. Stand-
Or dirty with dust.
Well, hey, we might still have time for breakfast. It's not even 9 o'clock yet.
Sweet. I'm trying to hurry.
That was pretty cool.
Yep. Oh, thank God, a platform.
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness, a platform. I can stand now.
The one thing I do have to say, these stairs are a lot deeper than the ones you just come down to.
Oh,
Some people
jeez.
are a little bit surprised when they go down to this. Careful watching stuff.
We're a lot further.
Oh, yeah, that's a big step.
Yeah, these steps are a lot
These
further.
are a lot more like Cliffhanger.
Yeah. Woo!
You guys are good to exit back out the way you guys came?
Awesome.
I like when there's change.
Yeah.
Definitely keeps it fresh.
Fast forward a little bit, but starting now, I'm gonna walk through this
This is so crazy. I read this ride so many times, and I don't even get the greatest scores.
Yo, that guy used to be over there.
Yeah. They changed a lot of it.
Yeah, they added a lot of glowing.
Oh, there's a door closing on us. Ah!
They added a lot of glow in the dark paint and stuff to this ride, and renovations during Fright Fest.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of things in here that I've never noticed.
That is a big.
Look at these.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Look at him.
He's having the time of his life with the 100-year-old bread.
This is the only prop
That's
that has
original.
remained the exact same
Yeah.
since the Scooby-Doo ride that
Used to be here.
scuba diver there.
Yeah.
The exact same prop. They never changed it. Ooh, look.
Oh yeah, all this steam from the fog. You're not supposed to touch the props. The door keeps hitting us. And always a creepy guy.
Shaggy. This my boy.
Yeah.
Swamp monster.
Swamp monster.
Like we're in New Orleans.
Yep.
Definitely giving that sort of vibe. So much that I don't notice whenever the lights are off and we're going right
Well, you're
through
too
it.
busy shooting.
There's so many effects and things, yeah.
You're too busy shooting, trying to get a good score.
Look at these. These look so much more cartoonish than what
Yeah.
I remember for some reason.
I think they are. I think they got updated. These guys are cool though.
Oh my god, that is frightening.
All of a sudden it moves. Oh, it scared the crap out of me.
Ooh, look at that chin on that buddy. Old dude poking down in there. Oh, he
Get the monkey!
Does he pop out?
Yes, he gets the monkey with the key.
I never looked that direction actually.
He's always the monkey with the key that you gotta shoot.
Oh, interesting.
Thank you. So we're heading up towards the quarry wall. I did the super villain swings, which was fun. But yeah, this is my whole entire setup, going towards quarry wall. I'm cool right now. What about you? He's cool. Cool. Matthew's cool.
Kind of.
Kind of. But yeah, so yeah, I like it. Yeah,
I don't know.
maybe.
That's something.
We might go right goalie washer today and bugs. So, but yeah, off to the quarry wall tour. Superman tour was awesome. So there goes Iron Rattler going up the first drop. Look, we're just like right here, and there's the first drop of Irat right there. So epic. Train's gonna go over tracks. There's Roadrunner doing his thing. By the way, guys, I found some subscribers. Adam. Hello. And what was your name again?
Ava.
Ava.
Hi.
They're subscribers of the channel. So awesome. How you guys enjoying Roller Coaster Rodeo?
Loving it. Yep. Yeah.
Awesome. So that was really cool. I met 2 subscribers. Ava, Adam, if you guys are watching this, which you guys probably will. It was great meeting you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys at Theme Park ERT tonight. 2 hours of ERT. But yeah, this hat, this neck fan's working. I'm loving it. Pretty good, pretty good. And I got tons of water. Tons of water. So yeah. I stopped off at Singer Fest for a taco salad for my lunch. I know I'm getting a dinner tonight for the rodeo. But yeah, I always come here and get the taco salad. It's my favorite. I don't know why. I just love it so much though. But yeah, I'm chilling. I'm drinking a liquid IV because I started to feel not so great. So gotta stay hydrated. And then I might go do a tour with Sweezy. But he got the brisket and the apple pie. So yeah, just kind of chilling and relaxing. Just FYI, if you guys come to this event, be prepared to walk a lot. And also bring something comfortable and bring up as much fans and shade as you can, because when you're up there on the quarry wall, not a lot. When you're down at the drop, not a lot. Your head's gonna be baking, your face is gonna be baking. So yeah, I was very grateful for my hat and my neck fan. So yeah, I'm having a great time though. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat. Y'all have fun. I just got done with lunch. It was average. About to go ride Poltergeist. But I got Sweezy back behind me. Ah! He's following me. Get away, get away, get away. And then I got Tyler in front of me. We're gonna go ride Poltergeist. Let's go. So just get off Boomerang, or as I like to call it, the heck and back in 90 seconds. But yeah, what do you think, Ty?
It's all right with the new restraints. I mean, the new trains ride good.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah.
So heading off to the Zaragoza tour. I would have shown you the DC construction tour, but it's just dirt right now. Nothing.
Just dirt and holes.
Dirt and holes. Nothing very exciting over there. So let's go climb some catwalks over at Zaragoza. So yeah, that should be fun. But yeah, I'm finally rehydrating. I'm drinking a lot more water. So yeah, we're up here. And there's the line for everybody to come up here where we are.
Wow, that's so crazy.
Yeah, we're up here. No, don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. You're breaking the rules. Okay, you can touch the rail, but don't touch any of the lights or the wires. Specifically, Jorge said. But yeah, look at that. That's the money shot right there.
I'm just taking it all in at this point.
There's where supposedly the VIP seating is supposed to be, but it never happened.
VIP seating over there?
Yeah, for Diamond Elite people.
Interesting.
But it never happened.
I would think VIP seating would be more like over here.
No.
Like, if you really wanted to see it.
Like in the wall.
Yeah, like in the wall, like on like a traditional old style theater.
He ran out of
Or
store.
like on Muppet Theater.
Hi there.
You know, I actually seen that when I was on the clock the Saturday first eighth. They actually gave me that to watch.
Did they?
Yeah. I mean,
That's kind of cool.
yeah.
I'd be like, heck yeah, dude.
Heck
It was
yeah.
my first time seeing Muppets 3D.
Oh, shoot, that's pretty cool. That's a good experience.
Yeah, we're up here. Hey, I'm doing good with heights, I guess.
For 8, you get paid over.
That's cool.
Right? Usually I'd say no to this type of stuff, but I wanted to do this, right?
Yeah. That's cool.
Surprisingly, I wanted to do this. And look, when the angels come out for the show, that's where they come out.
Oh, do they?
Yeah,
That's
they,
neat.
for the Christmas show here,
Oh, that's awesome.
Majesty, they kind of swing out.
I always wondered where.
But yeah, so yeah. Watch your step. So going back down.
You know, it's a simple building, but it's just like we never get to go around it. We're just getting
What's in there? Any specialties? No, it's the hallway.
It's the back room.
It's the back rooms that you're not supposed to go to.
Jay's office.
It's my office.
He's just at the end of the hall sitting against the wall. We're like, hey, is this your office? Yeah.
Yep.
It's like, whoa, dude.
Yep.
Okay. I'm just like slowly close the door.
Oh, dressing rooms.
all the,
Oh, nice.
all from the side.
Oh, someone left some day old chili.
No, guys, that's called contemporary art. You take a
Oh,
picture right there.
oh.
They got shirts down there. Oh, that's the secret stash. Come on, Jerry. There.
Oh, yep. Yeah. Stop. Entertainment people only. Oh, we're in a restricted area. We're gonna get in trouble now. Oh, there's tons of shirts.
What are the shirts for?
Six Flags 2023.
Oh, E6 Gaming.
Yeah.
It's got some tags in there.
Yeah.
Some Instagram tags.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
We all get one.
Yeah. That's the end of the tour. We all get one.
Quick changes. We have our big step pieces that are stored on the side of the wings here. And then when they get mysterious to get from one side to the other, they take this mysterious path all back.
It's always the path in the back that leads to trouble.
Yes.
When you get down that way, take a left, and Patrick will be answering questions at the front.
It's always the back path, isn't it, Jorge? Oh, look.
Some of our set pieces from Nativity.
Ooh. Yeah, if you look up.
The camel and sheep smells everywhere.
Oh, yes. I can attest to that. Christmas. Christmas is starting now. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
that? That's like Tim Tractor.
Yeah. Hey, look, we can just sit on the bench. We can just sit on the bench. So yeah. We're,
See all the computers back there.
yep, all the show computers. So yeah, we just kind of did a tour. There goes the theater. How cool! How cool was that? And then this is what it looks like when we're performing. Hello, peeps. So yeah. So here's the whole entire Iron Rattler stuff. It's really, really cool. They're working on the third train right now. But yeah, it's kind of like walking through the whole entire Iron Rattler area. So yeah, so we're going in the back lot of Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Tons of fog. Oh, there's the mysterious boulder for a Roadrunner. When's it being installed? The boulder. It's for a Roadrunner. How do you not know what the boulder is? Yes. I know my rides flick up. Maybe. But yeah. Oh, look, I found the giant gingerbread man. I'm hungry. Oh, the splash water parade. It's okay. It'll happen next year, I swear. I swear. Just right now we have construction, so it can't happen. But next year it will definitely happen. Oh, look. Frightful finale. Look at that. So yeah, here's the Fright Fest bus and the meteorite. And some more Fright Fest props. But yeah. Backstage tours are always cool. See, look, there's even more creepy stuff over there. So yeah, it's really, really cool. So they're running Wonder Woman for us. They're testing Wonder Woman right now. Look at that. I would show you more, but my phone's about to die, so this is all you get right now. And look who I found. I found Mr. Jeffrey Siebert. Jeffrey, can you tell us some more facts about this ride, sir?
It is Generation 2.1 and it reopens July 1st. Smoother, more exciting, and comfortable than ever before. It's going to be a great ride.
Yes, sir. I can't wait to ride. I really can't. So here's our team, the Dusty Spurs, and I got Sweezy and Tyler, and I got Matt with me. So yeah, well, hopefully we can do good.
Sounds good.
I know Ty can do good.
What?
I know Ty's gonna do good.
Yeah, but I got my eyes on you today.
Oh boy. Oh boy, here we go.
That's what I'm saying. That's why we did
Got
those
our
skateboards last night.
scorecard.
It's that team building.
So me and Matthew have decided to split from the group. We're gonna go ride Bugs in the carousel, and then go from there. Right, Matthew?
Yeah, probably Goliath next.
Yeah. So yeah. Guys, I'm finally riding the pig with the clown. There's the clown. And then here's the pig. Here's the pig. Wink, wink. So yeah, let's go. Oh, you know, just riding a pig with a person on the back behind me right back here on a carousel with no one else just besides tons of roller coasters. So this is why we come to Roller Coaster Rodeo, right, Matt? This is why we come to Roller Coaster Rodeo, right, Matt?
Oh, yes.
Let's go hit up Boomerang and Goliath.
This time, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna complete it. I know. Next time up, Boomerang. House to house.
Guys, I just rode Scream. Wow. That's all I have to say is wow. Wow. I actually liked it. Very amazing. So yeah. So yeah. Just got off Scream. Probably gonna give me something to drink though. So yeah. Alright, I just got off Scream. What was that, Sweezy? What did I just say?
You got off Scream.
I just got off Scream. So after my epic ride on Scream, I decided to get a Jack and Coke. And yeah, just I had to have one. Just one. Probably won't finish it all, but we shall see. Not that big of a drinker, but yeah. So yeah. Well, there's something you don't see every day here at Six. Oh, jeez. Okay, back up. There's something you don't see every day at Six Flags.
He's fine.
He's just looking for food. But yeah, day 2 of Roller Coaster Rodeo has been awesome. Like I said, I rode Scream, and it wasn't that bad. It felt even tamer than a roller coaster drop. So, needless to say, in my version of it is, if I can ride IRAT and Cliffhanger that have way steeper drops, that's nothing compared to those. So yeah, great time with Sleazy and the gang. Great time with Tyler. Great time with Matthew. All in all, if you guys ever come out to Roller Coaster Rodeo, you might see me, you might not, you know. Who knows? But yeah, every year Roller Coaster Rodeo always is a bang. Always a highlight of my month forward. I'm looking forward to it, you know. Just can't wait for Roller Coaster Year, the 5th year anniversary. I wonder what Jeffrey and the team has up their sleeves for 5 years. 5 years of this Roller Coaster Rodeo. That's crazy to think. But yeah, anyways, this is probably the last clip before I head out. If y'all like the content, make sure to like it. If y'all want to stay subscribed, make sure to stay subscribed. By the way, I met some subscribers out here today. You probably already seen it, but Adam and Ava, awesome meeting you guys. Thank you for watching the channel. It means a lot to me, you know. I'm just a guy out here enjoying my theme parks, honestly. So if you ever meet me in person, don't be afraid to say hi. You know, I love it. And my grandma's starting to realize that she's YouTube famous. So yeah, if you ever see her out here, just introduce yourself, say I'm so-and-so, and she'll relay the information.